Pursuit, meaning explained in detail. Pursuit means trying to achieve something or chasing someone or something. It is the act of following a goal or target. In simple words, pursuit equals chasing a goal or trying to achieve something. Easy explanation. Pursuit can mean two things. First, chasing someone or something. Second, working hard to reach a dream or goal. People are in pursuit of education, career, happiness, dreams. Very easy examples with explanation. The police were in pursuit of the thief. She is in the pursuit of her dreams. More simple example sentences. Education is a lifelong pursuit. He continued his pursuit of success. Hard work is part of every pursuit. Daily life examples. Students are in pursuit of knowledge. Athletes are in pursuit of victory. People work hard in pursuit of happiness. Student sentence. I am in the pursuit of good marks. Easy memory trick. Pursuit equals chasing or working toward a goal.